Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be talking about ProfitTrailer buying strategies and EMA gain and SMA gain to be specific. I will be showing you how EMA gain and SMA gain work in hash file and the DCA file. Before we get into the video though, you guys will need to know what is EMA and what is SMA first. If you guys want to know about details and read more about it, you can go to Investopedia and research more about EMA and SMA. But I will just give you a simple explanation of what they are, okay? So moving average is used to average out and smoothing out the price action of an asset, and it is used as a trend following indicator. So SMA is moving average. SMA is simple moving average, and EMA is exponential moving average. The only difference between them is that EMA gives a greater weight to more recent price. All right, so basically the calculation behind them is different, that's all, but they are moving averages line, okay? All right, so let's show you how you plot it out on the graph first. All right, so the first thing you need to do is go to TradingView. All right, and then create an account and then log in, and then after that click on this chart button right here. Now it will take you to this charting interface. All right, you will not see this EMA line, whatever you saw on the graph right now. That's because I drew it earlier. All right, so but this is pretty much what you're gonna see when you click on the chart button. All right, and this box up here, this is where you enter the coin name that you want to look at. Okay, so let's say we want to look at ADA. Just type in the name and then select the coin pair from the exchange that you want that listed in here, that listed on here. Let's look at ADA BTC on BTREX. All right, and then this is where you change your period. Make sure you are looking at the same period that you set on your indicators file, because you wouldn't want to look at the same graph that ProfitTrailer is looking at. All right, so make sure this is the same in the indicator file, and then to add in SMA or EMA, click on this indicator button right here and search for it. So simple moving average on TradingView, it's called moving average, just MA. You will see it here. If you search MA to just MA, it's gonna show you moving average and also the moving average exponential, which is the EMA. All right, so in this video we'll be using EMA, but the concept between the concept of how SMA and EMA work on ProfitTrailer will be the same. It's just use different moving average line, okay? So you want to add two moving average lines, so just click twice on the indicator. You will see it's up here on your left hand corner right here. All right, so what you want is you want to click this edit wheel, okay, and change it to the same length that is on your indicator file. So if you go to the indicator file and you look, it is this number right here, the EMA1 or EMA2 or the SMA1 or SMA2, whichever moving average line you are using. Make sure you get the number from that settings, okay? So because we are using EMA, it's gonna be 20 and 5. So just come back to the TradingView and then change it. Just change the color here. All right, you will see it's change from 9 to 20 right here, and then we need to change this to 5 as well. So it is 20 and 5, just like in our indicator file. All right, so how the gain strategies work in ProfitTrailer is that it's look at the price from, it's measure the price from the lowest EMA line, okay? So in this case, when the blue line, which is a faster moving average line, it's in the bottom, and it is the lowest EMA line. And when the faster EMA line cross over, then the purple, which is the slower moving average line, will become the lowest EMA line. Okay, so whatever the lowest EMA line is, ProfitTrailer will measure the price from the lowest EMA line. All right. Okay, so in our settings right now, we set our buy value is minus 0.5. What that means is ProfitTrailer will measure the price from the lowest EMA line, and if it's past minus 0.5, or if it's past your buy value number, then ProfitTrailer will start to trail the price and try to buy it at the lowest, as low as possible. All right. And if you guys don't know how trailing works in ProfitTrailer, please go and check out our video about how trailing work, because we do have a video about that. All right, I will not go into detail how trailing work in this video. Okay, so I will assume you guys already watched that video. All right, so because we are setting it at minus 0.5 here, so let's say we are looking at this candle right here, okay, and we want to know like how much percent did it like from this price to the lowest EMA line. What you need to do is you need to put your mouse on the EMA line, okay, and then hold down shift. After that, you left click and drag it down. Okay, you see something up here right here that show you the percentage that is lost, like the down percentage, like the difference between when your mouse was and where your mouse is right now. Okay. All right, so from on this candle right here, so from this EMA line, which is the lowest EMA line, to about right here, wait sorry about that, to about right here, this is where, let me draw a line first. So on this candle right here, okay, this big candle with the long wick right here, okay, so from this lowest EMA line point to this purple line that I just drew is minus 0.5. so when the price get to this purple line right here on this candle, ProfitTrailer will look into trail the price and try to trail it down, and maybe it's got somewhere down here and it's bought down here. Okay, so that's how the gain strategies work in ProfitTrailer. Now in the DCA file on right here in the DCA file, it will need to meet two requirements in order for ProfitTrailer to buy. The first one is the buy value. This is the meaning of this buy value is the same with the one in your pairs file. So which is the price gotta be at least, excuse me, the price gotta be at least your buy value or smaller than that in order for ProfitTrailer to buy. And also it will need to meet this buy trigger. And what this buy trigger is saying is that, so I'm setting it at -5. So what the buy trigger means is that the current price will need to be at least -5% from the average bought price or smaller in order for ProfitTrailer to DCA. Okay, so if the price, so in this case, if the price is -1% from the lowest EMA line, from the lowest EMA line, or if you are using SMA, then it -1% from the lowest SMA line. Okay, so it gotta be -1% from the lowest EMA line, and then it gotta be at least -5% from the average bought price in order for ProfitTrailer to start trailing and try to DCA down. Okay, and yeah, that's basically how the gain strategies work in ProfitTrailer. Please check out our, like I said, please check out our trailing video, because it's really important that you understand how the trailing system in ProfitTrailer work. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.